This trick is called the Superman. It is the perfect DragonStaff trick to learn when you're getting started on your DragonStaff journey. First, we start with our body position. We have one leg forward and one leg backwards, straight back, leaning forwards with our arms raised above our heads. As we release the staff, we swing our arms down towards the ground as the staff reaches our shoulders, and back up again as the staff passes our shoulders and then rolls down towards our hands, where we then catch the staff. After you've caught the staff, we then lean forwards a bit forward, raise your arms up, let the staff go. As the staff rolls towards the shoulders, we then drop our arms to the ground, raise our arms up again and catch the staff. It is important to note that as the staff reaches the shoulders, we do not want to have a hunched position like this, as the staff is unstable and it can fall off. What we want to do is have our shoulders back and our shoulder blades up, so that if the staff wobbles, it gives it 2 points of contact and the staff doesn't fall off your body. So to practice this, you can lean forwards, shoulders up and then down, up and then down. So when your arms are forwards, your shoulders aren't down like this, creating a hunch. They are back, ready to receive the staff. And as we swing our arms down, we keep our shoulders lifted up to swing our arms forwards and backwards. So not like this. This is not very good. We want to have our shoulders back to create those 2 points of contact as the staff rolls over their shoulder area. Now with the DragonStaff, place the staff on the backs of your hands and extend the staff out the front. Now if we raise our hands just a little bit, we'll see the staff starts to roll. If we raise them up higher, it'll accelerate a lot faster. We can use this by raising our arms just a little bit or a lot and changing this angle here to control the speed and acceleration of the DragonStaff. So if we want to go slow, we just raise our arms up a little bit and the staff rolls nice and slowly down our arms. If we want to go faster, we can raise the staff up higher and the staff comes towards our face a lot quicker. So to perform the move, place the staff on the backs of your hands, arms raised up, and you duck our head forwards, making sure your feet are in the correct position, one forwards, one back. We duck our head. When you're ready, we lean forwards, raise our arms up, and the staff will begin to roll towards your shoulders. Keep the staff rolling very slowly and controlled at this point. And your shoulders should be pulled back to create a nice stable platform. As the staff gets to the shoulders, we swing our arms down, and raise our arms up, so the staff rolls down our arms and has 2 points of contact, catching in our hands. To go back the other way, we spin the staff with our hands, and then lifting our arms up high, the staff slowly rolls back to our shoulders. Remember, we don't want this hunchback position. We want to keep our shoulders backwards and up, raised and up high. As the staff gets to our shoulders, we swing our arms down, catch, and the staff rolls back to our hands. To finish the move. Here it is again from the other side, a little bit faster. Now from the top,